Hello and welcome to the tutorial on grids in Biwee. If you want to know how to create and customize grids in your dashboards, this video is for you. The grids are recommended for displaying detailed data and values rather than purely chart visualizations. It is well suited for comparing various values and combining view types. Visual indicators can be added to help interpret the results. To insert a grid in Biwee, click on the grid icon in the component area. The data setting has two main items, columns and sparkline. If we drag the sales amount field in the columns area, Biwee displays the aggregated amount of sales using the default sum function. By default, when a numeric field is dragged in columns, Biwee considers it as a measure and aggregates the value. If you want to display all values of the sales amount, you can change the type of column by clicking on the sigma symbol and select dimension. Biwee now displays all the sales amount of the dataset. We can change the format to currency by clicking on the format and selecting currency. We can add more information like the category of each product and also the subcategory. Now we have a summary of sales for each subcategory and category. You can see the dimension symbol next to the category and subcategory fields. Also, we can add objective sales and compare them by the actual sales. For this, we drag the sales amount field, click on the sigma symbol and select delta, then drag the sales objective field and target. Now we have for each category and subcategory the absolute variation between the sales amount and the objective. A visual indication is also displayed to indicate whether the target has been reached or not. If we prefer to display the percentage variation between the actual and target value, click on the delta symbol, then select percent variation. We can add a trend line to see the evolution of the quantity sold per year. For this, we drag the quantity field, click on the sigma symbol and select sparkline. Then we add the sales date field in sparkline, and we can choose the granularity. Now we want to have something more readable. For this, we can merge cells to merge all duplicate cells, or else activate the drill down by using the cogwheel and merge cells or check the drill down. If you check the drill down now on the grid, you see there are only categories displayed, which means if we click on a category, we will see the details of this category for each subcategory. On grids, you can add conditional formatting to highlight certain points according to a specific condition. Either by right-clicking on the field that will be used to define the conditional format rules, or by right-clicking on the grid component and selecting Edit Rules. In this example, we are going to highlight in green the sales that are above 200 million. Thank you for watching this video. For more information about these dashboard items, refer to the documentation in the description.